How to appear 10 pounds thinner in less than 5 seconds. I know you love who you are, but you would like to appear a little thinner on camera, thus making you feel a little more confident, especially all of the pictures taken during the holidays. This video is for you. Hello, I'm Dr. Steph, and I help faith-filled women become camera confident in business and life. Well, today, I want to talk about how to appear 10 pounds thinner on camera in less than 5 seconds. Well, let's get right into it. If you're about to take a picture, make sure the camera is directly in front of you. Now, if I took a picture like this, it's fine because I am wonderfully made. But if I did this, I would appear 10 pounds thinner. What I did was I took my right foot and placed it behind my left foot, making sure the arch of my right foot is directly behind the heel of my left foot, about 3 inches apart from each other, making your foot look like a 2 p.m. clock. And then you lean back into it, bend the front knee slightly, put hands on your hips, and make sure there is space between your body and arms. You can do the same for the other side too. And that's it. That's simple. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share so that your friends can get the how-to as well. Together, we're building a community of confident women.